This Turkey's 5th Gen TFX stealth fighter jet was more advanced than you think. TFX fighter aircraft. As part of the TFX program, Turkey will become one of the few countries with the essential technology, engineering infrastructure, and production capabilities once all the crucial features, such as greater situational awareness, sensor fusion, low observability, weapon bay, etc., required by a 5th generation or beyond fighter aircraft have been inculcated, according to Turkish Aerospace. On August 5, 2016, the primary contract for the TFX indigenous design and development program was signed between the Ministry of Turkish National Defense's Undersecretariat for Defense Industries, SSM, and Turkish Aerospace. The TFX will be a twin-engine, multi-role aircraft that will be intended primarily for air-to-air missions, although it may be used in air-to-surface operations as well. With this new engineering complex, Turkey has indicated that it remains committed to its advanced fighter jet program, and it is soon to become a reality. It will replace the existing fleet of F-16 fighter jets in service with the Turkish Air Force and join the F-35 fighter jet fleet. It is expected to meet the nation's air combat requirements until 2070. TFX design and features. The 5th generation aircraft will integrate a stealth fuselage made of advanced carbon composites. Its aerodynamic design will further enhance the high-speed abilities of the aircraft. It is primarily designed to serve air-to-air combat requirements. Its sleek design and unique features will enable it to be used for air-to-surface roles too. The 19 m long aircraft will have a wingspan of 12 m and wing area of 60 square meters. Its maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, will be 27,215 kilograms. The aircraft will offer high degree of situational awareness, advanced weapon systems, sensor fusion techniques, and low observability. Interoperable capability with other fighter jets such as the F-35A will make it suitable for joint operations. The preliminary design phase of the TFX aircraft was concluded in December 2017. Avionics on board 5th generation Turkish fighter. The advanced avionics suite on board the aircraft will feature multiple displays, graphic interfaces, environmental data systems, digital maps, and high-end interconnectivity devices. Other features such as voice recognition, high-quality audio systems, and synthetic vision will also be installed in the smart cockpit. The aircraft will feature an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar supplied by Aselsan. The AESA radar in combination with the stealth fuselage will ensure superior stealth capability. TFX fighter engines and performance. A joint venture was formed by Rolls-Royce and Kale Group to provide a domestically developed engine for the Turkish fighter jet program. However, the deal was suspended due to uncertainties over technology transfer. The aircraft will feature 2 engines with a thrust rating of more than 20,000 pounds each. The power plant will enable the fighter jet to fly at a maximum altitude of 55,000 feet. The aircraft will have a maximum speed of Mach 2 and a combat radius of 600 nmi. Turkey's 5th Gen TFX stealth fighter jet to be rolled out by 2025. Mega engineering complex inaugurated. Turkey's future national combat aircraft, TFX, is expected to make its first flight in the next 3 years. And the country has opened new engineering facilities for the design, development, and production of this 5th generation fighter jet, according to reports. The Engineering Center of the National Combat Aircraft was inaugurated on January 6 by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, with the goal of rolling out the first Turkish fighter experimental, TFX/National Combat Aircraft, MMU, prototype in 2023. The composite manufacturing facility and the maintenance and repair center were 2 more facilities that debuted on the same day. These facilities will be run by the Turkish aerospace industry, TAI, the manufacturer of the fighter aircraft, reported Daily Sabah. Additionally, Erdogan announced that Turkey's long-awaited National Combat Aircraft, MMU, will take to the skies in 2025. He announced this at the mass opening ceremony of 16 factories that are to operate in the space and aerospace industry zone in the capital Ankara. The development indicates that Turkey is completely on track to produce its fifth-generation fighter with stealth characteristics, a capability currently possessed by only a handful of countries such as the US, China and Russia. The newly opened facilities are equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure engineers can carry out all of their work in-house without relying on external resources. The TFX-MMU is a fifth-generation aircraft with features similar to Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II. The Turkish Air Force's F-16 fighters are being phased out progressively throughout the 2030s, and the proposed MMU will serve as their replacement. Turkey was kicked out of the US-led F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program following its purchase of the Russian S-400 air defense system. The US also imposed sanctions on Turkey under the CAATSA, despite Turkey being a NATO ally. The American reluctance to sell the fifth-generation stealth F-35 fighters to Turkey, and the redundancy of the existing F-16 fleet with the Turkish Air Force make the MMU program all the more important for Ankara. Not only will it equip the Air Force with an advanced fighter, but also reduce its dependence on the United States and its aerospace giants. The new engineering facilities. The composite production building was constructed with a TL412 million investment. Under one roof, the factory will be Turkey's largest and the world's fourth largest composite complex, according to Daily Sabah. The primary production center, paint shop, and auxiliary facilities are among the 19 blocks that make up the composite production building. The plant, which has the capacity to meet 2% of the world's air structural composites market, will employ 150 engineers and 850 technicians. Turkey is one of 10 countries capable of designing and building their own battleships, as well as one of the top 3 drone producers, according to Erdogan. Erdogan highlighted how Turkey's defense sector has expanded in the past 2 decades under his Justice and Development Party's AKP administration, claiming that the number of the country's defense industry projects has surpassed 750. He claimed that their budget had increased to $75 billion, and that their annual turnover had increased to $10 billion. Some 2,300 engineers involved in the project will carry out their work at this hub, Erdogan stressed.